Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am Jonesia from QA, and today is episode 2 of my new series, Quality Matters. What is GxP, and why is it even important? Well, let's get into that. So GxP is good practice, or to spell it out, good, fill in the blank, practice. And you can fill in the blank with any subset, such as good clinical practice, good pharmacovigilance practice, good laboratory practice. There's a bunch of different subsets. We'll get into some of these subsets in different videos. GxP are actually guidelines that were created by regulatory organizations to ensure high quality products are being made and that they are safe for human use. The act of adherence to these regulatory standards is known as GxP Compliance, which is a key part to clinical trials. So there are 3 main focus areas with GxP Compliance. The first one would be traceability. This is being able to track what's happening during the product development lifecycle. The second would be accountability, which is identifying key players who play a role in the product development lifecycle. And then there's data integrity, which is going to encourage and ensure reliability with the data being gathered from these clinical trials. So GxP ensures effective, high quality products are made without compromising human subjects' protection. So these regulations need to be adhered to by regulatory bodies to ensure smoothness during the product lifecycle. They also ensure the safety and health of those who utilize these products. So there are numerous ways to ensure that GxP compliance takes place. And one of these ways is through quality assurance. It is important that quality standards are met throughout the product lifecycle to ensure that processes and documentation are present. Audits are important for verifying compliance pre and post clinical trial. It is important to ensure that processes and regulations are being followed here. See episode 1 of Quality Matters to get more context as to the importance of audits in clinical trials. I'll link it below. Training is important to ensure all staff are on the same page as far as the latest versions of requirements and processes. Documentation and record keeping are important because this ensures that documentation is retrievable and that it's traceable. Validation of systems, processes, and procedures is important for testing and production environments. If you made it to this point in the video, comment fill in the blank. I hope you got something out of this video. I make these videos for informational purposes, for all the curious cats out there or people who are even considering a career change. I hope that this kind of encourages you. To introduce myself, I'm Imani and I'm a quality professional. If this video was of any interest to you, hit that like and subscribe button so we can get the word out about quality. But that's all for this episode, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.